Want to remove audio from your Adobe Express project? Let me show you how to do it in few simple steps. Let's go. First, open the project. Now, select the audio track you want to delete by tapping on it. A toolbar will appear showing you the delete option or trash icon. Tap it and your audio will be removed in an instant. Another method to delete audio in Adobe Express is click on the audio track you want to delete and simply click backspace and your audio will be deleted instantly. If you have multiple audio tracks, make sure you are deleting the right one. You can also mute the track if you want to keep it in your project. Do you use audio in your designs often? Share your favorite music tracks in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.